Hey guys, welcome again to another Side Hustle Pursuit channel short video, and in this video we're going to talk about the free online software called Audacity. And in the case you've uploaded an updated version of it and you're looking for the time shift tool, you may not actually see it. In this case here we've got Audacity 3.2.1. If you ever want to figure out which one you actually have and you're not really sure off the bat, just go to Help and About Audacity. Now into the video here, we're going to talk about the tool, which usually is in this section here. And what you can see is there's a big gap here I've got between these two tracks. So we'll show you how to quickly and easily take a track and move it now, especially since you don't see that time shift tool there. Now, what we're going to do, just for the example, is I'm just going to take a little bit of track here. I highlight it, and you can see the yellow up above. But I really want you to pay close attention to your mouse and how once you've highlighted, that bar up above turns yellow. And you can see that the mouse goes from selection tool to the hand. So you can see the difference there. So now what we're going to do is we'll click on the actual track itself, and we want to be able to move it right or left. And this is important to note because I try to move it through here originally on the track, but you've got to do it in the yellow space there. So we'll take it and we'll move it right from the yellow and we'll bring it to the left. And now you can see we brought it over to this other track here. So essentially that's what you want to do. It's fairly simple. I'm going to have more Audacity videos just like this. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.